Hey y'all, so welcome back to my channel. I'm back today because I'm trying out a style that I saw on TikTok. I will put it somewhere on the screen. I think the girl's name is Tavia's B or something like that. But right now I have my hair sectioned into 5 sections and I have them twisted just so they won't like frizz up or anything because I was outside. It's not really a tutorial. I'll just check back in to show you how I did it, and I will drop down in the description bar what I used. Let's see what we get, girl. Ooh, child. Okay, so my dilemma right now is that it's working out good, but I see my rubber band, so I'm gonna have to do what I didn't want to do, which is wrap hair around each individual one. But I think I'm gonna save that for last and just like crochet it at the end and spray it with some Got to Be in blow dry. Okay, so we officially have 2 braids left, and then I just have to add my curly pieces and fix the top, and then we'll be finished. And this was really quick. This is what we have as of right now. Now I'm about to fix this part right here where my rubber bands are showing. Okay, so update. We have gotten our rubber bands covered. And now we're gonna add the curly pieces. And I look like the cutest little girl you ever saw. I like it. So this was a success. I'll show the final product and my cuteness in the next clip. Thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.